Can meditation cure anxiety? You're gonna find out exactly in this video, so make sure you stay to the end. So the interesting thing, and the reason why a lot of people meditate is because they want to be more confident, they want to create the life of their dreams, and all this kind of stuff, which meditation is used for, especially with things like visualization, and if you're familiar with Dr. Joe Dispenza, about really creating your future and creating your life. So to answer your question, can meditation cure anxiety? The short answer is yes. And when I say cure anxiety, I don't mean you'll never feel it just by meditating once. Imagine meditation as your gym workout for your mind. In order to stay in shape, in order to keep fit, we must eat healthy and we must train our body. Whether that's running, whether that's calisthenics, whether that's strongman, whether that's bodybuilding, whatever it is you want to do, you must move your body to keep it in shape. And also it depends on how vigorous you want to do it. You don't need to have the biggest muscles, you just need to really be fit. If you want the biggest muscles, that's down to you to make the decision. So then how does anxiety get cured with meditation? So not only can meditation cure anxiety, it can also help with stress, depression, chronic pain, heart disease, and even high blood pressure. Just by focusing your mind. Your mind is a very important tool, and if you learn to harness the power of your focus, it can really cure a lot of areas of your life. Now, this isn't my studies, this is just scientific studies that have gone on. And one study in particular where a group of 19 to 22-year-olds practiced meditation, guided meditation, for just 10 to 12 minutes a day, all experienced less anxiety as a result of just between 5 to 12 minutes. So you want to go for about 10 minutes, that's sort of the optimum at least, but just that alone was able to see benefits in their daily life to reduce anxiety. So the answer is yes. Can you reduce anxiety with meditation? Yes, you can. But as I said, in order to work out your muscles, you must turn up to the gym. In order to reduce your anxiety, you must turn up to your meditation sessions. Don't see them as a chore, see them as a time and a place where you can really declutter, kind of like a massage for the mind effectively. That's what you're doing, you're giving yourself time to massage your mind. And for me specifically, meditation was something that really saved my life, because years ago when I used to take a lot of drugs, I then caused myself a lot of depression and anxiety because of taking so many drugs and not really knowing who I was. Meditation really calmed my mind to stop overthinking, to stop anxiety, to stop the depression. This didn't happen just from one meditation. But I do say to people, still have the open mind that it could still happen in an instant, but show up every day so it doesn't have to happen in the instant, that you're gonna do it regardless. Because like I said, in order to maintain muscle, it doesn't matter how many years you've worked out for, if you stop working out, your muscles will not stay the same size. They are going to deplete. Now, what I will say is you do have muscle memory, therefore, even when you meditate, you can still get back to that muscle memory of less anxiety, of more confidence, let's say, by just doing it more. So make it into your daily practice, make it a ritual, something that you do every day, so that when you come to your day, you have something that can really reduce the stress, the overthinking, the anxiety, the pain, the worries, and the struggles. And if you've never meditated before, I've made it very easy for you. I created a 30-day meditation challenge. It's on my website. If you just go down here, go to this link, or go to the link in the description, www.maxhindle.com/HST. You can get a free 30-day meditation challenge with 30 free meditations starting from 3 minutes if you are a complete beginner and you've never meditated before, just to really practice focusing the mind and every day getting slightly better. It's kind of like upping your weights in the gym. You're not making massive steps, you're just upping it by a minute each day. So effectively see it as you're putting one kilo on the bench press every single day. And by the end of 30 days, you're going to improve your muscle mass in meditation. What you're gonna get from using the meditation challenge is to really be aware of the thoughts that you're having. Because are the thoughts that you're having really empowering your life? Because if you're not already aware, your thoughts really dictate your life. Therefore, those who are happy are not having happy thoughts because they are happy because they have happy thoughts. Because put it this way, someone who is truly grateful was grateful before they had something to be grateful for. They're not grateful because their life is amazing. Their life is amazing because they are grateful. They're not happy because their life is amazing. Their life is amazing because they are happy. It all starts in the mind. If you look at anyone who's living a negative and disempowering life, ask them what thoughts they think versus someone who's living an empowering and positive life. Ask them what thoughts they think, especially about themselves and about people around them. Now, I'm not saying this to single people out, because we're going to have those negative thoughts. I have negative thoughts at times. I refuse to be held by my negative thoughts, and I catch them and I get them off. Get out, you're not welcome here, mate. Not none of these negative thoughts, not with me. I deserve better. Because that's what it gives you. It gives you the ability to be focused. It gives you the ability to stop, assess, address your thoughts. What is going on? What are you thinking? To then say, is this something that I want to think? Because if you really want to change your life, you need to make a decision to say, I will not let a single thought slip through past my mind and accept it as a reality. Because let's face it, most thoughts are lies. I could think that this ring light here, which is shining light on me, is very dark. Just because I think it doesn't mean it's true. I could say that this top is black. Just because I think it doesn't mean it's true. You could say, I don't deserve anything in life. You could think it, but it doesn't mean it's true. You could say, I'm never gonna change. You can think it, but it doesn't mean it's true. Because I can also say, I'm gonna impact 1 million people. I can think it doesn't necessarily mean it's true. But that also doesn't mean it's not true as well. Either way, we're lying to ourselves. Are you lying to yourself in a way that's empowering and gonna actually help you? Because let's face it, I'm happy. I'm very happy and content who I am as a person. I love myself so much, honestly, like I'd never change me for anyone. And I'm so content with who I am. And it all comes down to a little thing I like to call meditation. And this is coming from someone who's a hypnotherapist, who understands the brainwaves and how the lower you go down the brainwaves, the more creative you become and the more clear your mind becomes. So if you want me to explain different styles of meditation, put it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to. But other than that, subscribe.